Today, I'm sharing how I built a composting raised bed on my UK allotment. A simple yet effective way to recycle organic matter and grow thriving plants. This method combines principles of permaculture and composting, creating a sustainable growing system that enriches the soil year after year. The first step is to create the foundation. I started by placing large logs at the bottom of the bed. These logs are part of a technique called Hugelkultur. Over time, they break down slowly, releasing nutrients while also acting like a sponge to hold moisture. This helps reduce the need for frequent watering, especially during hot spells. Next, I added a layer of smaller branches and twigs. This layer is crucial for aeration, preventing the bed from becoming compacted and ensuring proper drainage. Think of this as the framework for your composting process. On top of the branches, I layered garden and kitchen waste. Anything from vegetable peelings and grass clippings to dried leaves and spent plants. This combination of green and brown materials is key for healthy decomposition. The greens provide nitrogen, while the browns supply carbon, creating a balanced environment for composting microbes to thrive. Then, I added about 4 full wheelbarrows of well-rotted horse manure. This step not only adds a powerful nutrient boost, but also accelerates the composting process. If you don't have access to horse manure, alternatives like cow manure, chicken manure, or even green manure plants work well too. Finally, I topped it all off with a generous layer of finished compost from my allotment. This top layer is where the plants will grow, so it needs to be rich in nutrients and full of organic matter to support healthy root development. After planting, the results speak for themselves. This bed became home to a variety of crops, including salad leaves, 1 tomato plant, and cucumbers. The cucumbers, in particular, thrived, producing a fantastic harvest. The consistent moisture and nutrient availability from the decomposing layers below created the perfect growing conditions. Over time, you'll notice that the soil level in the bed sinks as the organic matter breaks down. This is completely normal and shows that the system is working. To maintain the bed, I'll add another layer of garden and kitchen waste, followed by fresh manure and a topping of compost to prepare it for the next growing season. One of the biggest benefits of this method is how it turns waste into a resource. Instead of sending garden and kitchen scraps to landfill, you're creating a self-sustaining cycle that improves soil health and reduces the need for synthetic fertilizers. Plus, the decomposing layers help retain moisture, which is especially important for gardeners working with drier soils or during water-restricted periods. This raised bed also reduces the need for digging. The natural decomposition process keeps the soil structure loose and aerated, so your plants can easily send down their roots. It's a low-maintenance, high-yield system perfect for allotments, gardens, and even smaller spaces. Composting raised beds like this are a fantastic way to grow sustainably while making the most of the resources you already have. They're adaptable to different climates and soil types, and the results, like these thriving cucumbers, are truly rewarding. If you give this a try, let me know how it works for you in the comments. Happy gardening!